I don't know if you've ever felt this, but there was a point where I just sat there and thought, what am I actually doing with my life? Like, not in a deep, dramatic way, just honestly. Because everything felt the same. Wake up, school, gym, scroll, sleep, repeat. And I'm gonna lie, it was comfy. But at the same time, I felt that something was a bit off. I think the scary part is nothing was that bad. Like, I wasn't struggling or anything, but I also wasn't doing great, or I wasn't doing anything meaningful. And ako lang ba, but like, I kept telling myself, I'll start tomorrow, I'll do tomorrow different, I'll fix it later, I still have time. But if I'm being real, I've probably said to, I mean, I've, I've probably said that to myself like 100 million times already. Like, and I started noticing everyone around me looked like they call this, they were moving forward, and I was just there, not failing but not growing either. So then it hit me one day. Like, actually think about it. What if nothing changes? Same habits, same mindsets, same routine, same everything. And that kind of scared me more than failing. Because failing at least means you tried. But staying the same, that means you didn't give yourself a chance. And that's when it clicked to me. No one's coming to save me. No one's gonna randomly fix my life. No one's gonna force me to become better. If I don't change, I think that's on me. So I started to take things seriously. Not perfectly, not all at once, but little by little. Like going to the gym when I didn't feel like it, trying to be more disciplined, even making contents like this. And I'm not gonna lie, I still struggle. There are days I feel very lazy. Like, ayoko nang tumayo. Gusto ko na lang humiga buong araw. And there are days I fall back into old habits. Yun. Parang gusto ko mag-gym ngayon, tas mamaya, higa ulit. The next day, higa ulit. The next day. So, parang ang workout ko, hindi PPL. P-rest, P-rest, leg skip. And ayun nga. Um, yung difference lang nun from before is that now I'm aware. I don't just ignore yung katamaran ko. Like, I know that, yo, tinatamad ka na naman. Ganon. But I'm still nowhere close where I want to be. But at least now I'm moving. And I think that's what matters. Because before I was just existing. Now I actually feel like I'm trying to become better, or trying to become someone. Not for other people, but for myself. And maybe that's what taking your life seriously really means. Not having everything figured out, but deciding you don't want to stay the same anymore. So if you're in that place right now where you feel stuck or lost or just there, maybe this is your sign. Not to change everything overnight, but to at least start.